Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Carlos with Wirefly, and what I got for you guys today, it's, I guess you could say, a preview or a sneak peek, whatever you want to call it, to Windows 8.1. It's out for some phones, but it's not out for some other phones. As you guys can see, here's a Nokia Lumia icon. It's not out for this phone, but I went ahead and got the preview version, which I do not recommend if you guys are worried about your warranty. That's why I hadn't made a video on this. It voids your warranty if you're under warranty, but it depends on what carrier you're on and all that. But anyways, let's get right into Windows 8.1. As you guys can see, here is the home or the wake up display or screen. You can just scroll up like you used to, and as you guys can see, I already got the transparent background or with the background on the back, which I'm going to show you guys how to do it right now. This is one of the features, or one of the main features, but I guess I'll go in the same order which I was talking about in the other video. So I'll talk about Cortana first. Cortana is Windows personal assistant. So what you do to activate it, you just click on the search button right here on the bottom, you press it, hold it, and that's Cortana right there. It's receiving you. You can just ask and say, what's the weather like outside? And as you guys can see, it got everything that I was saying in the conversation. You guys can see it right there. But anyways, it actually gave me the weather that's outside right now. Currently it's just 77 degrees. You know, sunny Southern California is always the perfect weather out here. And well, let's go ahead and ask it something else. Let's look for something. Set a reminder. Remind me to pick up milk. 6 p.m. Yes. And that's easy. I could have just told it the full command and it would actually take it, but I actually went step by step so you guys could see how it does it. I could have just said set a reminder to pick up milk at 6 p.m. and it would have done it with no problems. So the second thing I wanted to talk about was the home screen. As you guys can see right here, it's fully customizable now. I can choose the color now. I can choose the picture in the background, which what I did was you can go into either settings. Let's just go the long way. Go into settings, the old way you used to do it, and start and theme. You can choose from like this. You already do this before, but let's just go ahead and just show you guys. I'll pick a green, and then I'll remove the picture. And then just go back, and you guys can see there's nothing back there. Let's go back over here. Let's leave it in dark. Let's put a purple theme, and let's pick a picture from the backgrounds, which I had the picture. The picture was over here. This one looks pretty good. All right, let's take a look how it looks now. And as you guys can see, it's right there in the background. It moves along when you scroll. You can see it moves with the picture or with the flow of my finger, and it's pretty cool. I mean, like I said, fully customizable. We can change the color. I chose the purple, so it goes with the theme, and you can choose whatever you want. With depending on the picture you chose, it would actually look way better. Like I said, you can personalize it whatever and however you want. Another thing I was talking about that was improved was the camera. The camera supposedly gives you more options to like customize and stuff like that, and it actually gives you more stuff to like customize them. Let's take a picture right now of anything, maybe the wall over there. Took a picture of the wall. It saves it, and once we're under pictures, we click on it, and it gives you a lot of options to share it, like I had said earlier on the other video, depending on what apps you have. Facebook right now I have here, Instagram, and all these different stuff, and it automatically goes to OneDrive. I don't know if you guys remember, I said that in the last video. Everything or every picture you take goes automatically uploaded to OneDrive, which is pretty cool. It's pretty cool to have, and you can edit whatever you want to do on the picture, crop it, resize it, whatever. With InstaSize, that's another application I have downloaded, and it's already showing up here, so that's pretty cool. You can trash it, favorite, whatever you want to do. And let's go back. The other feature I want to talk about was file sharing. I don't know if you guys remember, I said you could share all your files in your tablets and your computer and all your Windows-based devices like let's say Xbox. You can share them with OneDrive. So we're going to look for OneDrive right here in the O. We already passed it. We click on OneDrive, and all your files in this phone should be automatically uploaded there. So let's click on here, camera roll, and as you guys can see, all the pictures that I have taken with this are already here. So that's pretty cool, that's pretty neat. So every other device that I have that's Windows based, which I don't have, this is the only Windows device I have, if it has the same account, it should allow me to view them and to do whatever I want to do with them. View them, save them, whatever I want to do, edit them, I should be able to do it. And the other file that I edit should also be included to OneDrive. The other feature I want to talk about was the App Store. If we go into the App Store, we can click on it and see that it's not looking any different, but if we search for a application like Netflix was not included for some reason in Windows. So what we were going to do is look for it, see if it's here, see if, oh, and if you guys can see, when Netflix is right here. I didn't even finish talking and it was already here. Netflix is here. So I'm guessing all your other favorite apps are going to be here now. Like I said, it's going to share the App Store, or if you could say the Play Store with Android phones, which is pretty neat. All your apps are going to be here, so you don't have to worry about downloading third-party apps. And lastly, the feature I wanted to talk about, which I guess you could say most excited for, is notifications. Now you can drag that tab from the top and see all your notifications right here in one place. You don't have to go into the apps and look for them. They're all right here. I can clear them all out, nothing left, and all the other settings are up here, and you can go into all your settings right here, which is pretty cool. It's pretty neat. You don't have to go all the way down here and look for S and then go into settings. You can just go down, all settings, and you're there, which is pretty cool, like I said. And then you can change your theme and all that stuff. That's pretty cool. I really like that. I really like that you're gonna be able to get all your notifications in one place now. That's pretty neat. That's the only thing I guess you could say that did not make this phone not a perfect phone, but close to perfect. That's the only thing I did not like, that it did not have a notification, I guess you could say center, place, whatever you want to call it. It just didn't have anywhere where you could go to see what new stuff you had in your phone. And that's pretty much it. That's Windows 8.1 in a nutshell. I hope you guys enjoyed this hands-on video. I really enjoyed making it, and I really like all the new features in Windows 8.1 or Windows Phone 8.1. Like I said, this voids your warranty depending on what carrier and whatever you got, so do not do it. I do not recommend doing it if you don't want to. If it doesn't matter to you, then just go ahead and do it, or just wait a couple of weeks. Supposedly it's going to come out in a couple of weeks. Leave me down in the comments below what you guys think about Windows Phone 8.1. I was Carlos with Wirefly, and I will see you guys in the next video.